Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Supercell ID verification not received on Brawl Stars. I will show you how you can do it from your iPhone. First, from the menu, first go to settings from your device. Then after settings, go to settings. Then scroll down and search for mail. Tap on it, and then you will see an option accounts. Tap on it. From here you will see your email which you used for Brawl Stars. Just select it, and after selecting it you will see option mail. Toggle it to turn on. Then you can maybe it's fix your issue. For this, just check your mailbox. Open your mailbox and search for a message from Brawl Stars. If it doesn't work, then you have to turn off your VPN. For this, open your settings again and search for general here. Then search for VPN and device management. Tap on it. Then you will see an option VPN. Tap on it again, and then it's toggle it to shut down your VPN, and maybe it will be fixed your issue. If it also doesn't work, then you have to open your game. For example, I am opening in your this game, and then from here just tap on the settings button. Then from here select help and support. Then select account from here. Then you will see a chat icon here. Tap on it, and tap on leave a message, and now type your problem, type your issue, and they will fix your issue. And that's how you can fix Supercell ID verification not received on Brawl Stars. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.